You need months to build polished websites today, right? That's a myth designers and developers still repeat often. I'm a product designer and developer efficiency consultant. The real bottleneck is repetitive UI assembly and inconsistent components. Copying styles, rebuilding sections, and hand coding slows launches. Design handoff, rework, and responsiveness eat development time. You need a system, consistent, exportable, and ready to deploy components. That's why I recommend Pagedone on AppSumo today. Pagedone bundles. The 1,000+ UI components, sections, and full pages. Designed in Figma and implemented with Tailwind CSS for speed. It removes repetitive work, enforces consistency, and speeds delivery. Figma files include auto layout, smart variants, and design tokens. Export workflows create Tailwind-ready code without needless rework. Tailwind blocks provide responsive HTML, live previews, and docs. Accessibility-ready components and organized tokens simplify developer handoffs. Pagedone also includes 291 customizable SVG icons for UI consistency. Icons are scalable, adjustable stroke and color, easily integrated. A design agency I advised cut build time by half. They reused Pagedone sections across multiple client storefronts seamlessly. Developers exported Tailwind code, avoiding CSS rewrites and debugging. Conversion-focused product pages and carts shipped within days, not weeks. Another freelance developer doubled his hourly output using Tailwind blocks. Live previews and exportable code removed guesswork and iteration loops. Pagedone's modular kits support SaaS sites, dashboards, and e-commerce stores. The library scales from atoms to full pages for rapid assembly. You can customize tokens and variants to match brand systems quickly. Documentation and organized categories speed onboarding for teams. Pagedone is ideal for web designers, front-end developers, and agencies. It reduces back and forth between design and engineering significantly. Now the scientific reasoning. Standard components reduce cognitive load and variance. Reusable systems minimize bugs, improve accessibility, and ensure consistency. Tailwind utility classes boost rendering performance and CSS maintainability. Figma tokens align design intent with production-ready code automatically. Here's a quick example of impact on a typical e-commerce build. Choose pre-built product cards, cart templates, recommendation widgets. Plug them into Figma, tweak tokens, export Tailwind, preview live. What took weeks now takes a few days of focused work. Designers keep control while developers get production-ready code instantly. Pagedone's icon set tightens visual language across products instantly. Minimalist SVG icons are customizable for size, stroke, and color. Use organized icon categories to maintain consistency across interfaces. Pricing note: AppSumo deal makes Pagedone an excellent value. It's ideal for agencies scaling multiple client projects quickly and reliably. You save hours per project and reduce costly rework cycles. How to get started: grab the AppSumo deal today and install. Import the Figma kit, choose components, and set your tokens. Export Tailwind-ready code, integrate into your build, preview immediately. Iterate faster, A/B test components, and optimize conversion paths. Real teams report faster deliveries and fewer design regressions. Pagedone supports marketing sites, SaaS landing pages, dashboards, e-commerce. The toolkit grows continually with new Tailwind blocks and templates. Documentation and examples flatten the learning curve for new teammates. In short, Pagedone accelerates builds, ensures consistency, exports production-ready code. Trust the system, reduce handoffs, and deliver websites faster. Visit AppSumo to claim the Pagedone deal before it expires. Start your next project with a production-ready Figma and Tailwind library. Questions about integration or tokens? Reach out. I'll guide you through. Pagedone on AppSumo is the efficiency upgrade design teams need. Try it on a small project and measure time to launch improvements. Efficient builds mean more clients, faster iterations, and better margins.